Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock system in Roblox Studio. First, we'll set up the foundational elements. This involves creating a server-side script to manage all stock data, including prices and player portfolios. We'll also define how players will interact with the system, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience. This initial setup is crucial for a robust and scalable stock market simulation within your game. Next, we'll dive into the core mechanics. You'll learn to write functions that handle buying and selling stocks, updating player inventories, and the overall market. We'll focus on secure data handling to prevent exploits and ensure fair play. This includes validating transactions and updating stock prices dynamically. Getting these mechanics right is key to a believable and engaging stock market experience for your players. Now, let's make it look good and easy to use. We'll design a user interface that clearly displays stock prices, player investments, and available funds. You'll learn to connect your UI elements to the backend scripts, allowing players to buy and sell with simple clicks. A well-designed interface is vital for player engagement, making the stock market accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Finally, let's explore advanced features to make your stock system even more dynamic. Consider adding historical data charts, market news events, or even player-driven stock influences. You could also implement a dividend system, rewarding long-term investors. These additions create a deeper, more immersive experience. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources and other great deals, including a fantastic car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.